Raza, I have a question for you. It's a question that we ask ourselves in the office. It's a question that all of our clients and our potential clients and fans want to know. What is CEQA and how does it relate to cannabis cultivation permits? And when do you have to get one? And can you, as an attorney, help others get one?
So CEQA is a pretty complicated state law that requires environmental studies and impact statements, etc., in order to make sure that new projects aren't going to harm the environment. And a lot of people are confused by this process, but it's a required part of the cannabis licensing. So unfortunately, everyone has to learn about CEQA and understand how to make it part of their application.
What are the general rules, like indoor versus outdoor? Is there a difference between whether you need CEQA for indoor cultivators versus outdoor? Any generalities you can, tell us?
In general, from what we've seen so far, indoor cultivation does not require CEQA, at least to the extent that it's already in an industrial area and there's not going to be a major change to the operations there. But anytime there's a major new construction or something like that, that could implicate CEQA for the indoor, and it tends to be required more often in the outdoor as well. But for various projects, there is an exemption from CEQA. And also, if there's a separate discretionary review process from the local jurisdiction where they're looking into the environmental impacts themselves, that also creates an exception to CEQA. So for each situation, you need to look at the specifics, whether the local jurisdiction is doing their own independent review, and also whether there's any major change from the existing use.
Can you help people with this, Raza? Is this something that your law firm is capable of handling? Because this is a very confusing...
It is. It's very confusing and complicated. Yeah. It's definitely an area where you should talk to a lawyer.
Talk to you, right? Because nobody else understands it?
Talk to us. Talk to any of the professionals at Margolin and Lawrence. We're looking into these issues every day and dealing with all the local jurisdictions. So we're trying to stay on top of this so you don't have to keep track of all the details yourselves, and we can handle it for you.
Thanks, Raza.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.